Hello everybody, I'm Happy Sprinkles 11, and today we're making our own poop slime for April Fool's Day. Poop kind of thingy. It's gonna be fuzzy, watery at the same time.
Yeah, we thought we'd make an improvement upon the videos that we've seen here. You know, none of them quite really were as good as we thought, so we'd take some aspects of each that we liked. So first what we're going to do
is shred up some toilet paper.
Rip that up. Next, what's our secret ingredient?
Lint.
From our dryer. Yuck. All right, you want to mix that in?
Weedy. I don't even know what that means. Mixy.
How much do we need here?
Ooh, it feels so nice.
Ooh, it's a little fluffy.
Make sure to feel the lint before to make it sure it's fluffy. And I don't get much help for this one.
All right, that should probably be pretty good, huh?
This is the first time someone's helping me.
Oh, that looks perfect, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right.
And now, what do we do next?
Now you need a little grown-up's help because we have some boiling water here. Just to help loosen the fibers in the toilet paper. Right, you want to mix that up with the spoon there?
And here's your spoon. And my spoon. Well, it's hot.
Yeah, it's boiling water. That's why you need the grown-up's help mixed up real good. Wait a minute, now that doesn't really look the color of poop, does it?
No.
How are we going to make it the color of poop?
I don't know.
What colors make poop color?
Brown.
Yeah, what do you mix to make brown?
Red and green.
All right, why don't you squirt some in?
And we have red and green right here. You do the red.
We're just using tempera paint here so it washes off easy. Oh, nice little squirt there.
Oh my gosh, it got on me.
That's all right. Squirt in about the same amount. Oh, all right. We'll try mixing that and see how it looks.
See if it makes brown.
Here, I'll take over if you want to clean up.
Yeah, he's gonna take over while I clean my hand up. But look at this.
Oh gosh, this is starting to look
this looks
a little
so
bit more
nice.
I think we might need a little bit more though, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, this is looking disgusting.
Looks like watery blood poop. Put too much red in there. Now, you know what? Do you know what to do when you put too much of one color? Add more of the other color.
Oh, this looks absolutely disgusting, Happy Sprinkles.
Yeah. Only put this on someone's doorstep that you know.
Or don't know and don't really like.
Yeah. And don't say who it's from.
What do you think about that color? Does that look like about the right color?
It looks like diarrhea.
Yeah, that's kind of the point. We're just going to make it not diarrhea, but what about the color?
Looks like it has the texture.
Oh, God.
Good.
It's just disgusting.
Look how...
Oh.
It's like mud.
All right, so
It's
now...
like with fuzz in it.
Sort of like dog poop. All right, so now... You want to sprinkle in a little salt? I want to put in a little glue. Just normal Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue works the best. That's good.
That will be perfect.
Now let's mix it in.
The key is you have to get all your water-soluble ingredients in first here. And then a little cornstarch. The reason we're adding the glue
is to make it stick together.
But also between that and the cornstarch, we're adding some long chain molecules.
Ooh, looks like bright diarrhea. Bright diarrhea. Wait, looks like there's no food in it. It does. See, right here. So
The kids are all having fun. Make sure you smash that like button. Oh, that's starting to look more like...
Turn on the notifications so you never miss a video.
Is that looking to be the right color?
Yep, and really watery.
Now, we're going to make it not so watery.
Ooh.
I think. And a little bit of borax.
That's good.
Let's test it out.
Here, have one.
We need a little bit more. Turn it
Oh
a little
my
bit.
gosh. These chunks. I'm gonna chop those up. I need to chop those chunks up. I need to make sure all of the poop gets it. And after it'll be turd-tastic.
Notice that it's starting to clump up now and not being so runny and clumping to the sides. Pretty soon we'll be able to form it into turds.
Ooh. We need it like dog poop.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to put this on our friend's doorstep.
Yep. And they have 2 dogs.
Now, a fun little thing you can do with this. Why did that turn green all of a sudden?
Oh, there's green paint in it.
Oh, silly question. Now, a fun thing you can do with this, you could try and make it smell really bad. You could add things like skunk essence or really stuff like that. Or you can make it a bit weird by adding something that smells good like lemon oil. Oh, that already looks like a big pile of bare...
baby oil.
Yeah, we have to mix this stuff up first.
Oops.
Because the baby oil won't mix with this so nicely.
Oh, it hurts my hand. Make sure to go like this.
Oh, it actually feels like poop. Oh my gosh.
Ew.
Ugh! Gross.
It's nice.
Notice
Also,
how
it doesn't stick to you that much.
Notice how it has this lovely kind of chunky texture to it. It's not a homogeneous thing, just like real poop. That's definitely not. I think we can probably use our hands now. Try it out. See how it feels.
Oh, you first.
I already did. Oh, it's feeling.
Oh, so nice. So poopy. Make sure to go like this.
Yeah,
With all
squish
that
it.
lint in there.
Kind of squish it up and homogenize it.
Look at my hands. Feels really weird.
Oh, let's see if we can make a turd now. Well, can I roll it out a little bit?
Look how big this is. A little bit less.
Still a little too watery, huh? But man, that's looking pretty turdy. Turtacular!
Can I wash my hands?
Alright, so we did a little bit of mixing. Added a little cocoa powder to give it a better color. And now, what was our secret ingredient?
Baby oil! And now I'm gonna mix it.
And what's the purpose of that, Happy Sprinkles?
To make it watery.
And give it that kind of nice little glisten that poop has. When it first comes out of a dog's butt.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Alright. We don't need to mix that in much. Let's grab a little chunk each and make some poop.
I'm doing it with this.
Let's grab some poop. And we can just roll it out nice. Oh my. Oh. Oh, that looks like a beautiful dog turd.
They might actually waste poop bags. So nice.
Oh, we don't want to smush it down because dogs just drop it out of their butt. They don't smush it together.
No.
And we could even make a nice long one to make a coil.
This is what your hands will look like when you made those poop turds.
But it washes off very nicely.
Yes.
Because of all the
You don't
fibers
even have
we
to
added
use
in there.
Soap. You don't even have to use soap. I thought it looked like a dog butt for a second.
If you ask me, that looks like one big steaming pile of dog poop. What do you say, Happy Sprinkles?
Good.
I think we have a new and improved method for poop. Let's go put it on our friend's porch.
Yeah.